Welcome to our channel. Using ChatGPT effectively for coding and productivity requires understanding how to craft prompts that generate useful, accurate responses rather than generic answers. Step 1. Provide clear context when asking coding questions by describing what language you're using, what you're trying to accomplish, and any constraints or requirements. Step 2. Request code explanations by asking ChatGPT to break down complex code snippets line by line, helping you understand rather than just copying solutions. Step 3. Use ChatGPT for debugging by pasting error messages along with relevant code and asking for specific explanations of what's wrong and how to fix it. Step 4. Generate code templates by describing the structure you need, such as API endpoints or database schemas, then customizing the generated code for your needs. Step 5. Refactor existing code by asking ChatGPT to improve readability, efficiency, or adherence to best practices for your programming language. Step 6. Create documentation quickly by having ChatGPT generate README files, inline comments, or API documentation based on your code. Step 7. Learn new concepts by asking for explanations with examples, requesting analogies, or having ChatGPT explain the same concept at different expertise levels. Step 8. Draft emails and messages more efficiently by providing key points and letting ChatGPT structure professional communications. Step 9. Automate repetitive tasks by asking ChatGPT to write scripts that handle common workflows like file organization or data processing. Step 10. Verify ChatGPT's outputs by testing generated code and fact-checking information, as the model can occasionally produce incorrect or outdated answers. Your productivity with ChatGPT is now maximized for coding and daily tasks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.